Hey guys, just a really quick video. We're going to put together a cream soap using the foaming bath butter that I just made. I just uploaded that video. We're going to be putting this as a companion video. I'm not putting any exfoliants in it for my purposes today. Just going to be doing a cream soap, okay? So I've got my base in here, and to that, I'm going to be adding some vitamin E and some C12-15 alkyl benzoate, which is an emollient ester. It's a very lightweight emollient ester. It also helps with pigment disbursement in your cosmetics. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding some purple mica to my vitamin E because I am scenting this with black raspberry and vanilla. Let's give that a mix. And we're going to go ahead and add that C12-15 alkyl benzoate. Give that another good mix. You can basically add whatever you would like to your cream soaps or your soap sugar scrubs, or sugar soap scrubs, however you want to say it. There's a ton of exfoliants that you can add as far as if you're making a sugar soap scrub. And you can basically add whatever oils you would like, whatever emollient esters you would like, some antioxidants in there. I wouldn't use actives because this is a wash-off product. You're just wasting those actives. I wouldn't put in like niacinamide. I wouldn't do that. That's a waste of a product, and that can be pretty costly in the end. Anyhow, black raspberry and vanilla fragrance oil going in. Smells fantastic. Give that another good mix. Even like microdermabrasion crystals, which I happen to have, I wouldn't add those to a sugar soap scrub either, again, because of the cost. It's just too costly to add actives like that are just going to get washed down the drain. For those of you who have not seen the previous video, this is the consistency. This is what it looks like. It's fantastic. But we're going to get this right in here. And give it a mix. You don't want to add too much mica. I'm not trying to stain people's skin. I pretty much just wanted like a light violet color. But always make sure when you're using your micas, disperse that in your oil or your ester, or even your fragrance oil. You can do that, because you don't want clumps and lumps and chunks down in your product. All right, this is pretty good so far. It's a nice light pastel. Very nice. All right, what we're going to do now is go ahead and put this into a piping bag, and then we're going to get that into our jars. Get your soap into your bag. I use a dough scraper to scrape the ends to get it down into the bottom. And I'm not putting a piping tip in here. I'm not trying to be fancy today. I just want to get this into the jar. If I can do this without making a mess, that will be lovely. All right, pro tip, you guys. If you have a little small silicone soap mold, or even just a silicone liner, or anything that is flat made of silicone, put your jars in there. They don't move. They stay where you put them for piping purposes. All right, let's just get to it. I'm just going to do one. Okay, and there you go. There's your beautiful cream soap. We put some black raspberry and vanilla fragrance oil in there at 2%. We put the C1215 alkyl benzoate in there at 2%. I added 1% of vitamin E, and the rest was the foaming bath whip that we just made, okay? You guys want the recipe? Watch the video before this, but this is a very quick, easy way to make just a plain, no muss, no fuss, quick and easy cream soap that's very, very nourishing for your skin. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment, share it with all of your friends, okay? Till we meet again, be kind and stay humble. Take care of yourselves, and see you soon.